Hi everyone. So welcome to the science class, that is synthetic fibers. So in this class we will discuss about what are synthetic fibers and different types of the synthetic fibers. Okay, the first thing, what are synthetic fibers? So here synthetic fibers are refers to artificial fibers. We can also call it as artificial fibers, that is man-made fibers. So these man-made fibers, they are prepared in the by chemical substances. So in the factory they are prepared by using some chemical substances, even though by using some natural substances also, but it is moreover it is prepared by human being. That's why it is said to be synthetic fibers. So in the synthetic fibers, each single atom is a chemical substance. The chemical substance here. In our daily life, we are using so many types of the synthetic fibers. So, regarding that, so we will discuss some types here. The first one is rayon, second one nylon, third one, so in the cloth store we will heard the word polyester, or another word acrylic. So we have three types of the synthetic fibers. So these fibers are prepared by the human being by using some chemical substances in the factory. So the name itself, it is called synthetic fiber. So another name for this is a polymer. We will discuss in the last class. Here poly means many, mer means part. Many part is nothing but synthetic fibers. Okay, we will discuss the first one, that is rayon. So here just observe the some of the diagrams we can already seen in our daily life. Okay, the first one here, it is a shiny surface, a tag. Here beautiful pillow covers. So these beautiful pillow covers are made up of synthetic fiber, that is rayon. So next here dress materials or carpets, they are made up of rayon. So here now we will observe some of the properties of the rayon. Okay, some of the properties of the rayon. So just focus here. The first property. So what are the properties of that rayon substance? Now, the number one, actually rayon is copying of silk fiber. So silk fiber is a famous fiber. It is a natural fiber. It's very shiny and very costly. So here silk fiber is very shiny and very costly. The scientists, they are trying to copy, or everybody try to make synthetic silk. So silk is a natural polymer, but they are trying to prepare synthetic silk by artificially. So in the 19th century successfully obtained fiber having the properties of similar to the silk fiber. So in the 19th century the scientists are prepared artificial fiber. So artificial fiber which are similar in the properties of silk fiber. So the name of the artificial fiber is rayon. Rayon is nothing but artificial silk. It is also said to be artificial silk. Okay, here rayon is obtained by, rayon is how it prepared. It is obtained by chemical treatment to wood pulp. For wood pulp, they are giving a chemical treatment. So here they are prepared by chemical treatment to the wood pulp. But there is a one question that, sir, wood pulp is a natural substance. It is obtained from the plant. But however, this wood pulp is utilizing human being and they prepared artificially. That's why here by using wood pulp, they chemically treated to the wood pulp, they prepared an artificial fiber that is similar to the properties of silk fiber, that is rayon. So that's why rayon fiber is called as artificial silk. So artificial silk. Okay, it is obtained from wood pulp. So it is man-made, that's why it is a synthetic fiber. Okay, now we will discuss some of the properties and uses. Okay, just focus once here. What are the uses? I am just copy some of the uses: dress materials, bed sheets, carpets, okay, and shiny tags. So these are the different uses we are using by rayon. Next, some of the important properties and uses here. So rayon is already called as artificial silk. It is said to be artificial silk. Second one, it is cheaper than silk. That means the rate is compared to silk, rayon is cheaper than silk. So next, we can obtain in wide range of colors. So here rayon can be obtained in so many colors. The range of the colors is wide. So wide range of colors we can obtain it by rayon. Here, when rayon is mixed with cotton, they can prepare bed sheets. Here colorful and shiny bed sheets are prepared when the rayon is mixed with cotton. Here rayon is mixed with wool, so they prepare carpets, beautiful and shiny carpets. So now here, so these are the some of the property and uses of the rayon. Okay, in the carpet, bed sheet, tags, pillow covers, dress materials. In so many daily events we are using rayon. Okay, next we will move towards the second artificial or synthetic fiber, that is nylon. Nylon is also a synthetic fiber. It is also prepared by human being in the factory. Synthetic fiber. So just observe some of the diagrams here. We are using so many artificial, that is nylon articles in our daily life. Okay, so it is prepared in the year of 1931. So 1931, it is first fully synthetic fiber. That means fully synthetic fiber is nothing but nylon, because it is purely prepared from the chemical substances. But before the rayon is utilized some natural substances, but in the nylon they are using purely chemical substances. Okay, here some of the properties, we will list out the properties here. Rayon is having luster surface, that means they having shiny surface. Second one, they having elastic property and they are lightweight. Next, so these articles are very popular, that's why they are using in so many cloths, or so they are using in the making of different types of the gloss. Okay, so these are some of the properties of the nylon. So I will repeat once again. They having shiny or luster surface, they are cheaper, they are elastic and lightweight and popular. So having wide range of colors and wide range of uses. The important thing is it is a fully synthetic fiber. First, fully synthetic fiber is a nylon. Just observe here. So I will mark here. First one, it is used in our bath while washing the body. So it is also made by nylon. And here wall curtain, door curtain, just these curtains are made by the nylon. And toothbrush, I will focus here, toothbrush, socks, ropes and tags, here some of the other nylon articles. Okay, then here just observe the most important use of the nylon in is a parachute. Ropes of the parachute are ropes for the rock climbing. While climbing the rocks or mountains, they are using nylon rope. Here parachutes are also prepared by nylon, and our daily use bags are also prepared by nylon. Okay, we will list some of the uses of nylon here. I will list out some of the uses. So first one, they are used in the preparation of socks, then ropes, then tents, toothbrush, car seat belts, door curtains, sleeping bags, next in the parachute making, ropes for rock climbing, so these are the different uses. We are using nylon in our daily life as different articles. So okay, it is more strong than, so it is stronger than steel wire. Okay, so stronger than steel wire, that means it's having more strong than a steel wire. That's why, so we in our daily life we are using so many types of the artificial fibers. Okay, in this class we will discuss about rayon and nylon. Okay, thank you. So if you are the new viewer, just subscribe our channel and press the bell icon compulsory. Then you can get the notifications of our upcoming videos. Okay, thank you.